आज की वीडियो में we're going to be touring an untouched 3-bedroom apartment in Bandra West. Let's take a look at this gorgeous property. Hi, hello, namaste, pranam, sat sri akal, salam walaikum. My name is Ravi Keval Ramani and I'm a second generation real estate agent based out of Mumbai. This property, without wasting any time, let's get into the details of the property. It's a brand new building. आप पहले individual होने वाले, you're going to be the first family who's actually purchasing this apartment. It is OC ready building. It is a ground plus 9th floor building. In the building, you have a gym. You have a nice little area which is card free for you to sit and chill. It's roughly about 2,500 square feet. The property measures, the apartment measures 1,100 square feet of RERA carpet area. It comes with 2 mechanical car parkings. There is a tower which is right behind this building, a car parking tower. वो parking tower में आपकी गाड़ी जाएगी. The monthly maintenance of this property, including your property taxes, is 11,000 rupees, which is relatively cheap for Bandra standards, especially for a brand new building. 8th floor पे 3 flat है. In this apartment, what you see is what you get. ये building में rooftop terrace भी है जो basic है अभी, लेकिन अगर society को चाहिए तो they can come in and make it into a nice kind of beautified and make it into a nice open space. एक साइड से आपको साउथ मुंबई का व्यू मिलता है और दूसरे साइड से समुंदर का व्यू मिलता है. 3,500 स्क्वायर फीट का करीबन टेरेस एरिया है. This is the car free zone. The owners have actually, the building has actually put all of these little cabanas or little couches that you can lie down and sit. ये झूला लगाया हुआ है and then you have this nice sit out over here. This is the car free zone. From here also you have access to the ground floor lobby. आपका गाड़ी का जो parking tower है वो उधर पीछे के side पे है, left hand side पे जो मेरे पीछे है, that is the parking tower. The lobby is very nicely made. You have this butterfly theme which goes throughout the entire lobby, ground floor lobby. Then you also have these wind chimes. There are 2 wind chimes in this area which is very nice. तो lobby music सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's all natural. When the wind blows, it comes nice. 2 elevators are right over here. This is the elevator with the RFID. This is the RFID. You have a Schindler high-speed elevator. एकदम मस्त है. Golden, beautiful elevator. We are going to go see the gym. Here is the gym. This is a fully equipped gym with all the bells and whistles. You have this. What's the company guy? Being Strong. Okay, this is that Salman Khan company, if I'm not mistaken. You have your hammer strength machines over here. You have free weights. You have elliptical. You have your cardio for the running treadmill. Your washroom is over here, and you also have your nice. You have your nice dumbbells also over here. All clean. नई गाड़ी की जो स्मेल आती है ना वो नई जिम की स्मेल आ रही है इधर से. Even these are pretty nicely made. Floor lobby with your 2 high-speed elevators. There are 3 apartments per floor. In this particular apartment, you're entering east and you're exiting west. आप जैसे enter करते हो, I'm going to run you through the floor plan. You have your open kitchen format. Then you have your living room. Your 2 bedrooms with the attached washrooms. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2 are right over here. And your bedroom 3 is over here. The open kitchen format. I personally like it because मैं अमेरिका में रहा था करीबन 10-11 साल. So we always had this kind of a format. यहाँ से आप खाना पकाइए, परोसिए. You have friends and guests, everyone coming over. So you can keep on talking to them while they're doing their own thing, and you have fun cooking whatever you're cooking. In the kitchen, you have these cabinets which are already made. They're soft closing. You have the exhaust hub over here. You have the gas over here. The building has gas pipeline. Aquaguard का इन्होंने connection दिया है, and अंदर भी डाल सकते हैं आप. So all of these, like, and it's got like nice little space east west. The windows are very nice. The moment you open this window, you have good cross ventilation coming through. The apartment is on a middle floor. नॉर्मल की बिल्डिंग में बीच में आता है, but आपको ग्रीनरी, लाइट और हवा अच्छी आती है. You have nice views. This area is very quiet place. The living room format is pretty decent. You have a nice big living room. Your Daikin air conditioners are already installed. Fans lag jayenge. Lights are already installed. Vitrified tiles are there. I think these are long length tiles. I don't know whether they're vitrified or not, but these are long length. 6.5-7 feet lamba tiles hai, and your windows are pretty decent size. The apartment has a reasonable size height. I would say around 9.5 feet would be the height. This is your Manuel Gonzalez Road. On the left hand side behind the camera is Hill Road, and on this side is Turner Road. So आपको काटा रोड का एक्सेस करीबन 10 मिनट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस, बांद्रा बैंडस्टैंड का एक्सेस करीबन 10 minutes away for you also. It's a nice location. We'll go check out bedroom 1. Your bedroom 1 has the attached washroom. The Daikin air conditioner is installed. Your windows once again out over here. इधर एक छोटा सा खड्डा बनाया है. ये खड्डे के अंदर आप अच्छा स्टोरेज बना सकते हैं. And here is your washroom. These washrooms are also brand new. What are the fittings? They have Aquant fittings, so they're reasonable size. In Jacquard, yep, Jacquard plumbing. It's a decent size. Jacquard का by the way 10 साल का वारंटी मिलता है अगर आपको पता हो नहीं पता हो. The switches are put. Ooh, one thing in the living room I forgot to mention. You have this system. This is that video phone from the door system that you have. Anyone rings the bell on the outside, you can see that person over here. This is your bedroom 2. Nice long length bedroom. In this bedroom, the way you can set it up is you can have your bed. This little balcony area that you have can be used for a nice sit out. So you're sitting over here with like small 2 chairs, open up the window, and you're facing the other building's garden on this end. This is your washroom. It's a decent sized washroom. This is more rectangular than, this is more square than rectangular. Bedroom 3. That's the best bedroom. That's the master bedroom, which is all the way on the other end of the living room. ये bedroom में बहुत ही प्यारा सा balcony है. इधर तो पूरे windows है. Top to bottom is full window, and here you have the balcony, which is the length of this bedroom, and it's a pretty decent size bedroom. Your washroom is over here. AC is again installed. Fan is installed in this one. Living room में नहीं था. इधर आपको dry और wet washroom का separation है. Overall, it's a nice property. I think it should not last long in the market. Some lucky guy or a lucky family is going to pick up this apartment very quickly. Now, the most important part, the asking price of this property. It is 6.5 crores negotiable. 6.5 crore negotiable is the asking price of this property. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye bye.